Welcome to Omron's Creative Lab. Hello everyone, my name is Ankit Juneja and I work as a systems engineer at Omron Electronic Components. Today, I will be talking about our human vision sensing technology, that is OKAO. OKAO in Japanese means face. It is the name of Omron's image sensing technology. OKAO is a software library with image sensing functions to better understand humans. OKAO offers a variety of functions that are categorized into 4 sections. The first one being detect, which includes face detection, human body detection, hand detection, eye detection, and pet detection. Pet detection, in which we only do cat and dog. The second section being detection in details, which includes facial parts detection, which has 12 points in total on eyes, nose, and mouth. And then we have facial parts counter detection, which has 106 points in total on eyebrows, eyes, nose, mouth, and jawline. And then gaze and blink estimation and human body silhouette detection. The third section is recognize and estimate, which includes face recognition, and in that we have a capacity to store 5,000 users with 10 images per user, age and gender estimation, smile degree estimation, expression estimation, that offers 5 different expressions such as happiness, sadness, anger, surprise, and neutral, and imposter prevention. And the last category is adjust, which includes red eye reduction, and OKAO beauty, which is for beautification.
Now we will do OKAO demonstration. We have OKAO demo available in 2 platforms, which are Windows and Android. What you see on your screen is the OKAO Windows demo. On the left of the screen is the real-time image from the camera, and on the right side of the screen is the image after the detection has been done. As I am selecting the functions from the function list that is on the top right corner of the screen, you can see the visual detection in the detected image section, which is on the right side of the screen, as well as the raw data of the selected function in the result log section at the bottom left of the screen. As you see OKAO's lineup of function in the OKAO function list for different categories, which are detection, recognition, and correction, that we have discussed before as well, the user has a choice to select and use their favorite functions for their particular application.
Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. There are some more functions that OKAO offers, and you can find that information on our website at components.omron.com. For any questions or queries, please feel free to reach out to me at ankit.juneja@omron.com.